Many hodags and folks all over the north central Wisconsin region got a pretty good workout today with shoveling all of that snow that we got. Here in Rhinelander, nearly 8 inches of snowfall has landed in the last 24 hours with a few more snow showers on the way. However, we are in a dry pocket right now, seeing that kind of a lull in the activity in parts of northern Wisconsin. The bulk of the action is now off to our east. That's where the most moisture is right now. A little bit of this system is going to be nicking us into parts of Monday morning. On the backside of that, there is more moisture to be working with. That's coming on up into later parts of overnight. So enjoy the lull right now while we have that. And after that last bit of snowfall does nick us for our Monday, we are going to be turning blustery. It's going to be cold for the next couple of days. We have cold air coming on in from northwest Canada, with also surface high pressure working into our area, following up with this system. And you will notice we have a pretty sharp pressure gradient here. So it's going to be indicating that we're going to be expecting some strong winds for the next couple of days with a dramatic change in pressure on the way. So looking at the next day, here we go, coming on up for later on in our Sunday night, seeing that lull, a couple scattered snow showers, nothing like what we saw for today. I do think the bulk of the action has now passed. That is off to our east. So coming up for the rest of tonight, a bit of that lull, a bit of those scattered showers, mostly cloudy skies. Winds will start to turn out of the northwest, and you will notice these winds get breezy. We are looking at wind gusts here, 20 some miles an hour, getting up towards of 30 some miles an hour into early parts of our Monday. And here's that last bit of widespread snowfall that we will be having. This is going to be through our Monday morning here, 6:30. Seeing that last bit of that system nicking us there before we transition into more of lake effect showers and even getting more breezy, windy, having wind gusts driving out of the northwest near 40 miles an hour. So you can expect a cold, blustery day for our Monday, and that's going to make some havoc for the roads and visibility, having all those snow drifts and blowing snow really all over the place, making more of a mess, while we still have those ongoing snow showers, mostly into the UP and parts of far northern Wisconsin due to that lake effect. And we'll see that really pronounced into later parts of the day, into the evening. So while the most snowfall has fallen, where we're going to get that widespread snowfall on Monday morning, there is still going to be some lingering showers into later parts of overnight into our Monday. So we are going to be winding on down, but not over just yet. And those winds do start to relax into our early hours of our Tuesday morning. So that will start to then kind of bring more relaxed conditions to the area, but it's going to get even colder coming on up on Tuesday. Now looking at that snowfall that we still have to come, like I said, almost 8 inches in Rhinelander, another couple inches on the way by the time that we do hit Monday night. So we could easily touch that 10 inches of snowfall, some areas exceeding a foot of snow by the time that we do get to tomorrow night. And you will notice most of central Wisconsin will be lucky to get a dusting if about a half an inch of snowfall. So like I said, most showers have passed. Now I do want to point your attention towards temperatures for just a moment. On our Monday, we saw that it's going to get blustery. Highs near 23. That's going to be in the morning. For the rest of the day, we are looking for crashing temperatures, single digits by dinner time. And with having that blustery wind, it will feel like the negatives. And then hold on, Tuesday, a high of only 12. And you can imagine with any sort of wind at all, that will feel even colder. We saw that wind coming in still out of the west, a little more dialed back near 15 miles an hour with some of those wind gusts. But then that cool off is short-lived. We're back in the 30s by later parts of the week. So for tonight, down to 19, looking for more of that snowfall likely late after that lull that we're having right now. A northwest wind is going to start driving in near 10 to even 15 and upwards of 25 miles an hour. And that's not all. Then we get into our Monday. Wind still breezy, near 25 at times, near 40 with gusts, snow early, and then we have blustery conditions for the rest of the day, 23 early, and then crashing temperatures. And now for a look at your 7-day forecast, we're going to be seeing that snow chance on our Monday, drying out for a few days, those few cold days, and then we have more snow chances Thursday, Friday, warming up into the weekend. Thanks for stopping by.